Yes guys, what is happening? How are you doing? Nick here from eBusiness Boss. Today I'm going to show you the affiliate marketing training that I used when I was first starting out. I remember when I was looking for free training so I could learn loads about affiliate marketing. Everywhere I went, someone was either trying to sell me a course or some sort of software, so I thought I'd share with you guys the exact free training I used to get my affiliate marketing journey started. As some of you will know, my name's Nick. This channel, eBusiness Boss, is all about helping you learn about making money online. So from affiliate marketing to selling on Amazon, we cover all of the inside tips and tricks that we're learning and that we've learned along the way. So if you're interested in learning about how we run and build our online businesses, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, selling on Amazon, subscribe to the eBusiness Boss channel and you'll be the first to know about videos just like this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So before I talk about the specific affiliate marketing training, a little bit about me and my background story. So as you can see, I'm in our warehouse today. We run multiple online businesses, but I didn't start out doing this. I actually started out working for the family business with my dad and with my brother. And yeah, it was really fun. Every day I'd be selling houses, and yeah, some bits of it were quite good, but it was just never for me. I never really felt fulfilled. So on the side, I started trying to work out and learn about different ways that I could make money online. It all started when I got together with a couple of really good friends of mine who I still work with today, and they too were also sort of closet entrepreneurs. They were both working jobs that, yeah, they got on with, they liked in part, but they knew they wanted to do something different, something they felt really, really passionate about. They say all self-made millionaires, billionaires, one of the two, have gone bankrupt or failed at some point. Not really sure if that can be 100% true. Bit of a general sort of assumption. I don't think really everyone will have failed, but yeah, I get the meaning behind it. A lot of the time, people that have had great success try out things that don't work out, and that's exactly what we did. So it was the same with us. We tried setting up an online business directory. We thought it was the best thing since sliced bread. Turns out it was rubbish. Yeah, no, it was literally quite bad. It didn't fail. We made a little bit of money, but it was just the beginning for us. It was our first online business, and yeah, it was a directory for tradesmen to help advertise their work and their services. So anyway, that didn't work out. So we brushed ourselves off and we thought, right, no, we're not giving up. That didn't work, but we're going to find something else. So we got together as a three and started brainstorming about what different things we could do. We started looking into sort of selling products online, so it's a physical product business, primarily on Amazon and Shopify. Yeah, and we thought, okay, this is something that we can probably do. So we got stuck into that. So yeah, a lot of our time was going into researching and preparing, putting strategies in place for our physical product business. Whilst we were doing that, I stumbled across the concept of affiliate marketing, which you probably hear me go on about a lot on this channel. It's something I'm really passionate about. It is something I'm still learning about. So yeah, we realized early on that diversification was the key. So I got more and more interested in finding out how we could bring the affiliate marketing concept into our business. I was hooked almost immediately. Affiliate marketing for me was like the ultimate passive income idea. You don't need a product to sell, you just recommend other people's services or products, and when someone goes ahead and buys it, you make a commission. So it's an awesome business model. So yeah, I was trawling, scouring online, on the internet, blog posts, YouTube videos, trying to work out how can I actually learn how to become an affiliate marketer without signing up to some sort of expensive course. And that was when I stumbled across Affiliarama. So I do review it in another video on the channel, but for those of you that don't know, Affiliarama is basically an online training portal for wannabe and intermediate level affiliate marketers. A load of successful marketers were recommending Affiliarama online. Not everyone, some of them were trying to recommend me onto their paid course or something like that, but a few of them were saying, look, check out Affiliarama, there's loads of useful free stuff. So that's exactly what I did. I love free stuff, I'm sure you do as well. So I spent the following 2 months working through all of their free stuff, and a lot of what they've got on there are free sort of online tutorial videos which show you and teach you about the different things you need to know. Yeah, so I credit most of what I know about affiliate marketing to Affiliarama. Thank you, Mark Ling. Yeah, you probably don't know who Mark Ling is, but he is the guy that built Affiliarama. He is a super affiliate. He makes hundreds of thousands of dollars, pounds, whatever you want to call it, every month just through affiliate marketing. So it makes sense that you'd want to learn from someone like him. Hence, use Affiliarama. That's what I used anyway to get up and running. And if you're starting out, you'll find it really useful. Of course, throughout the training, they will try and upsell you onto some of their paid products, Pathway to Passive, Philo Blueprint, Philo Jetpack. There's loads of stuff. All I'd say is, unless you can afford it, there's no need to buy it. Work through the free stuff. If you can afford it, you can put a little bit of money into invest in yourself and what you're learning about. It's probably going to speed things up for you. So yeah, maybe go for that if it's affordable. But if you're anything like me, a little bit tight, you don't really like spending money, then just make your way through the free stuff, because that's what I did. Yeah, and if you want to get serious about affiliate marketing, my number one piece of advice would be go with passion first. So get into a subject that you really feel passionate about. If you're passionate about it, if you're interested, it's going to make the whole learning process and doing process, because you're going to need to do a lot of writing or video recording or however you choose to market these products. It's going to make it much easier, because if you're passionate, it doesn't feel like work. That's what I've found anyway. Yeah, actually learning this is what gave me and us the idea to create eBusiness Boss. So we realised that we're super passionate about building online businesses. So yeah, because I'm passionate about making money online, I have no problem writing articles every day, recording videos like this to help you guys learn about it. If you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing but you don't know which niche to start, you can check out the blog post. I'll leave a link in the description. I actually give you about 10, I think, different niche ideas that are affiliate marketing ready. You could go out and start your affiliate marketing business today. So I'll drop the link in there, check it out. I'll also leave a link to Affiliarama's free training. I recommend you having a look at that. If you like these sorts of videos, I recommend you subscribe to this channel, because you'll be the first to know about videos just like this. It's always going to be useful content from us. That is what we're building this whole brand around. So yeah, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button. I'd love to hear what you all think in the comments. And if you go on to purchase anything through the links I provided, I will make an affiliate commission. No additional cost to you, but that is just something I wanted to mention. So there'll be more from us again soon, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Retro.